Today we're going to be eating only Spanish food for 24 hours. I don't believe this is counting as Spanish food. Spanish apples, Spanish watermelon, Spanish melon, that doesn't count. But this, I believe, is Spanish food. Spanish chocolate. Alright y'all, I'm actually trying for the first time legit churros. They smell like dope. Pretty good. What's actually funny is that my first video on this channel is actually about churros, and I don't think I remember understanding that actually churros is Spanish food. But I thought that was funny that my first video was churros and me trying it for the first time was me cooking it, and now I actually try legit churros. 9.5 out of 10. It's like they heard me that we don't have any legit Spanish food and they brought all of that. Can you say that again?
Ensaimada crema.
This one?
Coca roes.
And this one?
Empanada.
Okay, I'll try to learn them. Thank you so much. Okay, so I definitely didn't learn the names. First, I'll try the
Ensaimada crema.
little cakey thing. Oh my gosh. 9.2 out of 10. Now this, I have no idea what it is.
Coca roes.
It's salty. I think it has spinach and rice. 5 out of 10. And this looks so good.
Empanada.
Oh, it has some peas in it. I'm not into that salty things in the morning. 5 out of 10. We're currently on our way to a boat because yeah boy have some awful blisters on my feet because yesterday we walked, I believe, 7 or 8 kilometers, which is 3 point something miles. It was unbelievable on the rough surface. So yeah, basically I have these awful blisters, and we were like, okay, we really like this beach, but the only way we can go to it is on foot, walking almost 10 kilometers in 40 degrees Celsius heat. We were like, is there any other way? Yeah, by a boat. So we are here and we're going here. Oh my god, this is just awful. Don't ask why there's a toilet paper. Just don't ask. Ah, perfect. All right. Well, we are finally at our destination. To the right we have a lighthouse. I believe this is the most Spanish beautiful scenery. I mean, this is why I love Mallorca. If you haven't seen or been in Spain in general, you should be, but in Mallorca you must come. So yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that we actually stopped at Lidl. It's an European supermarket, and actually got some sweets so we can try them for lunch. So the first thing that I'm really interested in was this Coca-Cola with 0 sugar and caffeine. We don't have it in our country. I mean, it's definitely without sugar and I love it. 9 out of 10. Next thing that we have for lunch is croissant, but this is not Spanish. Still pretty good. I don't know what that is called, but it looks like a mini pizza. 9.5. That's it for lunch. All right. Well, that was enough snacking. I've always wanted to try and climb these because the past 2 times that we've been here, we've always walked the actual cliff and I've always wanted to be in this position. So now I'm gonna swim there and try to climb it. It's so nice. I mean, I think we have one more drink. Schweppes. I never tried this without sugar. We are currently at Kawamitiana. It's a private beach. However, as far as I understood, the owner has given permission to all of us to come without any fees. We are normally used to walking around 3 kilometers until we reach the actual beach, which is around there. But with boat is really easy. Pica tostes ayo perejil tostados. Yeah. Okay, so basically I believe this is just bread with some herbs or spices. That's pretty much it. It's just bread with some spices. We have torreznos. It's like Dom Toretto.
Family.
I'm not playing. Why is this smelling like fish?
It's not fish?
But it's really salty. 2 out of 10. Ayo perejil tostados gets a 5. I just saw these watermelons and we are basically in the middle of nowhere, but I saw these watermelons and I was like, okay, let's see a authentic supermarket. When I visit these kind of stores, I'm always interested what people eat. Zanahoria. Okay, we're buying it. Mediterranean crisps. Papaya. I've never tried papaya. There is oh my god! I've never seen a glass bottle of Coca-Cola? Agua de Mar Ibiza or Formentera. That'd be good. There are a lot of pastries that I really want to try. Hola. I wanted to ask, what are these? What is this called?
Yeah.
What's the name?
Esto. Dobloyat.
Toployat? Okay, and what is this?
The same.
Oh, Toployat? Okay, can I have one? I came only for the watermelons and I didn't even get a watermelon. Oh my god. Alright, well, I don't know which thing we should start with, but I'm really excited about the
Dobloyat.
it looks so crunchy. Oh my god. Okay. This is incredible. It also has some cinnamon. This is the best dobloyat that I've ever had. 10 out of 10. La granilla bizcocho tradicional zanahoria deliciosamente tierno. Smells a bit like lemon. It's a pretty squishy cake. It's not a wet cake. It's the right consistency. I'll gain so much weight from this trip. It's just unbelievable. Zanahoria, 9 out of 10. Next thing, these we had them in the hotel, so it's just basic water. What is not basic? Thank you. What is not basic is this agua. Agua in Spanish means water. Dude, I'm sweating profusely. It's 40 degrees outside, so please like the video. Ibiza Formentera Agua de Mar. Oh, that's an interesting cap. I mean, for 8 euros. Yo, why is this salty? This wasn't planned. 8 euros for a salty water. This is 0. Basically, go drink from the sea. Mediterranean crisps veggie experience. That's a sweet potato. We have this, which I don't know what it is. It's beetroot. It's basically all these interesting type of chips. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. And the last thing that I'm really excited, dude, I've never seen these. Oh my god. It's just a Coca-Cola. It's sunset. It's beautiful. And we are on our way to Palma, which is the capital of Mallorca. And I'll try to find some street food. Just parked. And the view from the actual parking, which is there, is that. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's some live music, just calm. It's just beautiful. I believe I smell something. Okay, I believe this is the perfect Spanish traditional place. There's some specific dishes that I believe only here I can try, like patatas bravas. I have no idea. Can I have patatas bravas? And paella? See? I just found the menu. Perfect. No calamar, no calamar. They already gave us a different order. Paella, but we don't have any. Delicious. I believe there's some meat here, which doesn't look particularly nice, but hey, let's try it. I mean, it's just rice. Thank you. I mean, I believe this is just Heinz ketchup and some fried potatoes. Yep. I've seen patatas bravas, and I don't think this is it. We were really disappointed with the paella, so we just wanted to get some popsicles, but now we saw that they are guapitos and we really want to try them. It's supposed to be ice cream with filling of strawberry, which is natural ice cream. Okay, this is pretty good. Better than the paella. 5 out of 10.